Okay, so we have these pink words in front of us, and some of these should look very familiar to you. Now, when I point to the word, can you read it to me? Okay.
Bird, point, or, for, star, smart, broom.
Nice. All right. Thank you so much. So now I'm going to get out some more different words.
I compiled these ones out.
You can pile those ones up? Thank you so much. All right. I'm going to take... All right. I have not a lot of words, but just a few. And these should be, again, also words that you should already know. So when I put them down, can you say them for me?
Yeah.
All right.
Nap.
Nice.
Girl. Bird.
Nice job.
Those are easy ones.
I'm glad you thought so. Okay. So today we are going to be focusing on this sound. This sound is called IR. So it makes the sound I'm sure you've heard it in a lot of words that you say or words that you read. And
so, like bird.
Like bird. Great example. So, our new sound, IR, and it is spelled, can you tell me what letters it's spelled with?
Bird, and
what letters is this sound spelled with? The sound.
I-R-N-E-R.
Just this sound. What sound is that one? It's just 2 letters. You got it. I think you're just thinking about it a little too hard. I give you a hint. It's on this. I-R. Nice. And together, they make the sound Can you say that with me? Yeah, so we've heard that. Okay, now can you say it by yourself? The sound? And what sound? Nice job. And you read the words. You read 20 words in 1 minute, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
But we want to improve that. We want to make you a better and stronger reader. So at the end of this lesson, how many words do you want to read per minute? If you started at 20, what do you want to do?
Make my words a little bit higher.
How many? So if you're at 20.
30?
30? Want to do 30?
Or 25.
Which one? Got to pick one.
25.
25?
Yeah. Because that's a little bit more closer to 20, and we have enough words.
All right. So I have a graph, and we're going to graph 20 to 25. You're going to help me.
Your page smell like the hospital.
They smell like the hospital?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. So can you pull out a marker? So, I have a picture. And what is this a picture of?
Bird.
Bird. Do you know what this says?
Bird.
Bird. Correct. Now, in this word, we have our IR. See how it's purple and underlined? And this one's purple and underlined? So, do you remember what sound this makes? Can you say this word?
Bird.
And you hear the in it? Nice job. Okay. So whenever you see the letters I and R in a word, do you know what sound they make? Can you show me where that sound is in each of these words? Can you point to where you hear it? There. Okay. What about the other words? Nice. All right. So when you see the IR in a word, you'll know that these 2 letters, whenever you see them, will make the sound because they do in all of these words. You can hear it. And you say, what word?
Sure. Birth. Circle.
You hear the right? So we can tell that whenever we see IR, it makes an sound in each of these words. That's a good rule to remember. And we can apply this to what we already know because when we're reading or when we're writing and we come across a word that has these two letters, but maybe we don't know what the word is, we can help use this rule to help sound it out. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, you can see that each sound is put in a box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say the sound in the box and then move along, and then we're going to blend it, and then we're going to say it all together. So I'll go first to show you what I mean. So for this box we have the sound firm, like old Play-Doh. Can you try this word? Firm. You are a natural. All right, we're going to move on to this word over here. The same thing. Can you do it?
Chirp.
Chirp. Like what?
Like a bird singing.
Like a bird singing. Great job. Okay.
Beautiful song.
Beautiful springtime song. All right, we're going to do this one now. Can you do it? Smirk. Do you remember what a smirk is? A smirk is kind of like a half smile facial expression. So like, it's like a half smile. All right, great job. Okay, so we're going to make some words right now. So I have a bunch of different sounds and letters spread out across the table. And what we're going to do is we're going to create new words or words that we've already seen with our IR or sound. So I'm going to go first to kind of show you what I mean. So I'm going to make the word, can you give me a word I should make that has the that we've gone over?
Word?
What about chirp? Remember that one? Chirp? Okay. So we have ch, So we have ch, p, chirp. All right. Now, I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to see if you can find each part and create the entire word. Okay? So your word is third. Can you make the word third? Okay, now can you say each sound?
Third.
What's the word?
Third.
Nice job. All right, can you put them back in the middle?
Yeah. I'll put them in different ways.
Thank you so much. Okay, this one's a bit trickier. Can you do the word birth? All right, can you say each sound? Birth.
Yeah.
Like birthday.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna do two more. This one is very tricky, so you gotta pay super close attention. Ready? Whirl. Whirl. You did it. Great job. Can you say each sound? Do you know what whirl is? Have you ever heard of like a whirlpool? So whirl, or some people call it a twirl. So it's like when you spin really, really fast. It's kind of like twirling as well. All right, great job. Thank you for putting those back. Now your word is firm. Like this Play-Doh is firm from being left out all night. Firm. Can you put it together, like by you? So yeah, you can pick them up and put it by you. All right, now as you say each sound, here I'll move these for you. Can you push up each sound as you say it, okay? Go ahead when you're ready. So push them up, so try it again. Nice! Great job. Ooh, you're a natural. All right. Our word, okay, yep, put them back. Mix them up. All right, our word is chirp. Like the bird chirped. Can you say each sound, and as you say it, push it up?
Chirp.
Nice job. All right, great job. Okay, so I'm going to say a word, and when I say the word, you're going to say the word back to me. So our word is chirp. What word is it?
Chirp.
And what does chirp mean?
Like a bird singing.
Like a bird singing. Yeah, that's a great example. All right, now I'm going to stretch the word slowly. And as I stretch it, I'm going to put up a finger for every sound I hear. So I have ch, Now you try. Ch, Great job. All right, now this time we're going to say it slowly, but for each sound you made, so you had 3 fingers when you had the sounds, right? So for each sound, you're going to write out that sound. So you're going to write the ch, Can you do that? All right, and as you write it, can you say each sound?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're writing the word?
Yep, you're writing the word, and while you're writing, say the 3 sounds you hear. So what sound is this? All right, then the next sound is Yeah, say it all together. Chirp, like a bird. That's great. Okay, you get this now, right? So we're going to start with our fingers, and then we're going to say the sounds as we write them. We'll blend it, and I'll say it all together. Sound good? Okay. So this one you're going to try to do by yourself, but I'm always here for help. So our next word is whirl. Whirl, like I did. So can you say it loud so we can hear you and use your fingers? Whirl. Okay. Now as you write it, say the sounds. Whirl. Can you blend, so say each sound? Whirl. And you know what whirling is? Whirl is similar to twirl, so it's like spinning. Some might say instead of twirl, someone might say whirl. Okay, we're going to do 2 more words. Our next word is firm. So use your fingers first, remember? Firm, okay. Now say the sounds as you write. Nice. Firm. And what is firm? Do you remember? Firm, I think I gave this example last time. Remember if you leave your Play-Doh out overnight and it's kind of hard, it's firm. It gets kind of like that, not soft or squishy anymore. Okay, last one. We're going to do the word third. How many sounds does that have? 3? Okay. And then can you point to each sound you hear? Third. Great job. Okay. All right. So we have 3, and we're going to call them our anchor words, because these are words that we should know, and we should, be very familiar with it. So what's this word? Smart. This word? Bird. And our last one? Nap. You couldn't read it fast enough. Now I'm going to show you a word, and you're going to guess which category it goes in based off the sound it makes. So if it sounds like...
push it under?
Yep, you can push it. You can put them right in line. So if it sounds like this word, or this word, that's where it'll go. You got it. All right. Our first word. Can you read the word out loud?
Sure.
You want to put it where you think it goes?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. What's this word?
Barn.
By the sound it makes.
because it's AR and AR.
You found another pattern. Look at you. All right. What's this word?
Hand.
Hand.
It's like a pattern, like this one, and then 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 this one.
What do you see in the patterns, like when you're doing them?
Purple, yellow.
Oh, the
Yeah,
colors.
yeah.
I like that. All right.
And the words.
What about this word? What's this word?
Farm.
Where does farm go?
Right there.
Why?
Because it has the AR.
It has an AR. All right. What about this word? What's it?
Firm.
Firm. Where does this go?
And AR. IRs.
IR. I'm going to say,
It all has, wait. It all has, like, some has A's, like, 2 of them, and some has R's,
Mhm.
like this one.
Why do these A's go in different categories, you think?
Because...
You have an idea? Maybe if we keep going, we'll figure it out. Okay, what's this word?
Hat.
Where does hat go? What sounds are similar to hat? Remember your purple words are our bases. So which sound has a similar to hat? Take your card. All right.
I think it goes right here because it has little words.
It's
Like
the little A.
Yeah.
All right. What's this word?
Part.
Where does part go?
And the ARs. Like, smart is growing bigger because it has more yellows than the other ones. Like, this one has 4, and this one has 3. Like, 1, 2, and 1, 2 is 4.
Yeah. All right, last word. What's it say?
Shack.
Yep. Where does shack go?
And little A's.
Little A's. So, have you figured out the difference between these words with the A's and these words with the A's?
Yeah.
What do you think is the difference?
Because this one has big, like, letters with AR, and this one has a little one because it has nothing to go with it.
What do you mean by big letters when you are referring to the... Do you know what you meant?
Like, connecting, that's what makes it big.
So like the sound makes
Yeah.
it big? Oh, okay. And then this one doesn't, it's just
Yeah.
kind of by itself and little?
Yeah.
Gotcha.